Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 1. Selecting, Creating, and Modifying Digital Resources. Lesson 1.3 Modifying Digital Resources.
Hi, I'm Elena, a science teacher.
And I'm Matteo, a math teacher. Welcome to our school. Today, we're going to talk about something essential: how to modify digital resources to fit your classroom needs. In the previous lessons, we talked about how to select and create digital resources.
But sometimes, those resources don't perfectly fit your needs. What do you do then? You modify them. Let me share a practical example. Recently, I found a video and an infographic about the water cycle, but both were too complex for my students. So, I used Canva to modify the infographic, simplifying the graphics and text to make it more engaging. I also used Edpuzzle to add simple explanations to the video, breaking down the concepts into more digestible pieces.
Exactly. And the best part about modifying resources is that you can tailor them to your specific needs and adapt them to the learning level of your students. You're not just using the resource, you're enhancing it to make it even more effective in your class. What if we told you that you could use artificial intelligence to modify resources even faster?
With Praz's AI, you can create presentations for different levels of understanding. For example, when explaining a journey from prehistory to today, the AI helps organize content and visuals, making it clearer and more engaging.
Yes, but keep in mind that AI doesn't know everything and can make mistakes. It's a good starting point, but you should always verify the information. Use it as a tool, not as the only source. Modifying isn't just changing content, it's about adding value and making it more engaging for your students.
For example, in science, create practical activities based on local phenomena or current issues relevant to your students.
Teacher, I used the resource you gave us, but I think it would be better if the examples were more visual. Can we add graphs or diagrams?
Great idea. That's why student feedback is so important. We can use tools like Pictochart to create infographics and incorporate more visual elements to make the content more understandable.
Absolutely. Visual resources can really enhance comprehension and interest. Let's work together to enrich the resource.
Teamwork is effective when we communicate clearly and define roles. Active listening helps us improve ideas, and constructive feedback keeps us on track. Plus, celebrating achievements keeps motivation high. With these steps, we can all contribute our best.
After modifying a resource, it's important to share it. You can use platforms like Moodle or even social media to collaborate with other teachers.
Exactly, and don't forget, sharing improves teaching for everyone. Let's not work alone. We can get inspired by each other.
So remember, you don't need to start from scratch. Modifying and personalizing digital resources is an efficient way to improve the educational experience.
And with the help of technology, even AI, you can make your lessons much more dynamic.
See you in the next lesson.